Hello, Smarter Every Day. I got a question for you. I know you did something on lasers before, and it was really cool. But I picked this guy up. It's a little, just pocket laser, little pin laser, and it's at 405 nanometers, and it's less than 5 milliwatts. And normally when I shine it on things, it just looks like a purple dot, and it's kind of cool. However, when I hit some surfaces, it goes berserk. Let me show you. So here's just a test with the laser. Right now I'm just shooting it at the wall. It's purple to my eyes, it's looking a little bit blue on the screen. I'm going to shoot a black surface. You can see it goes away. You can still see the beam. You can see the beam with your naked eyes. It's kind of cool. And now I'm going to show you shooting different colored surfaces, and some of them are painful to look at with my naked eyes. And this is kind of what's tripping me out. Alright, so shooting a wall, it looks purple, still pretty bright, it's just a white painted wall. Now, that's a white shirt. You can see that it's starting to light up the whole room. Now we are going to shoot an orange bag. Yeah, kind of amazing. Now a green shirt. And the whole room just lights up. So this is kind of crazy. So my question is, what's happening here? We have 405 nanometer light hitting these surfaces and just going nuts. Care to explain?